Good morning, dear students. Today we will try to understand the concept of a transpose of a matrix. Right. Suppose I am given one matrix 1, 2, 3. Right. So here I am given a 3 cross 3 matrix, and if I am interested in finding the transpose of a matrix, then symbolically it is denoted as A dash. So in transpose of a matrix, we will convert each rows into column. Means my first row will become my first column, my second row will become my second column, and my third row will become my third column. This is how we take the transpose of a matrix. We will understand the properties of a transpose of a matrix. Right. First property is A transpose whole transpose is A. Means if I take the transpose 2 times, then I will get the same matrix. Right. Let's try to confirm this. Suppose here if I am given one matrix and I am taking transpose of that matrix, then I will get 1 4 2 5 3 6. Right. Now let's try to take transpose of this matrix, then I will get 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is my matrix A. Right. So transpose of a transpose matrix will give me the same matrix A. Let's try to understand second property. It says that any constant multiply by matrix A whole transpose, or if you multiply that constant with a transposed matrix, then answer will be same. Let's try to confirm this using a example. If I am having matrix A as 1 2 3 4, then phi A will be, phi will multiply with each and every element of this matrix. So I will have phi A as 5 10 15 20, and if I take transpose of this, then I will have 5 15 10 20. Right. Let's try to confirm this by multiplying phi with A transpose. So my A transpose will be 1 3 2 4. So phi into A transpose will be, phi into A transpose will give me 5 15 10 20. So you can see that the answer is coming same. Yes. So my second property is a constant multiply by matrix whole transpose is same as constant multiply by A transpose. Third and fourth property is related to addition and multiplication. Means A plus B whole transpose can be written as A transpose plus B transpose, and A B whole transpose can be written as B transpose into A transpose. Let's understand the concept related to symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So if I am given one matrix, say and if I take transpose of this matrix 1 3 2 3 4 5 2 5 7, and if I get the same matrix as A, then this will be my symmetric matrix. So the definition of symmetric matrix is A transpose is equal to A. So after taking transpose, I will get back the same matrix, original matrix, then the given matrix is a symmetric matrix. Here A is your symmetric matrix. Let's try to understand skew symmetric matrix. Suppose I am given one matrix and if I take a transpose of that matrix, then it will be but you can see that this time the obtained matrix is not same as the original matrix, but I can convert this into original matrix if I multiply -1 on both the side, right? So if I multiply each and every element of this, then I will have 0 1 -2 -1 0 3 2 -3 0. Now you will see that the obtained matrix is same as original matrix. So definition of skew symmetric matrix is A transpose will be -A. Let's try to understand the theorems related to symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. The theorem says if I add any random square matrix with its transpose, then the answer obtained is always a symmetric matrix, and if I subtract that original matrix with the transpose of that matrix, then the matrix obtained is always a skew symmetric matrix, right? So always remember that A plus A transpose will always give a symmetric matrix, and A minus A transpose will always give you a symmetric matrix. Now if I am having any random matrix, square matrix A, then I can write it as a summation of symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix, where the formula for symmetric matrix is half A plus A transpose, whereas the formula for skew symmetric matrix is half A minus A transpose. You can see that if I solve this equation, then this plus A dash and minus A dash will get cancelled, and half A plus half A will give me A. So any random square matrix can be written as a summation of two matrix, that is skew matrix plus symmetric matrix, that is symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix, where the formula for symmetric matrix is half A plus A transpose, whereas the formula for skew symmetric matrix is half A minus A transpose. Let's try this exercise 3.3 of your textbook. We'll start with very first question of your exercise. Here we are asked to find transpose of a matrix. So here the given matrix is 5 1 by 2 minus 1. So if I want to take transpose of it, then it will be 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Here the second question given is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. So if I take a transpose of this matrix, then my first row will become my first column, second row will become my second column. Right, here my first row becomes my first column. Right, so this is how we take the transpose of a matrix. Let's try to understand the second question, where we are given two matrix and we have to prove the result that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So here I will note down my a matrix given right. So first of all, I will solve left hand side. I will find a plus b. So adding matrix A and matrix B will give me, first of all, so I should clear that A is 3 cross 3 matrix and B is also a 3 cross 3 matrix, that for the addition between two is possible, right? So if I add them, then minus 1 plus minus 4 will give me minus 5, then 2 plus 1 will give me 3, which is minus 2, 6, 9, 9, minus 1, 4, 2, and the transpose of this matrix will be minus 5, 6, minus 1, 3, 9, 4, minus 2, 9, 2. Now let's try to find right hand side. I will write A transpose and B transpose. So A transpose is minus 1, 5, minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1, whereas B transpose is minus 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 5, 0, 1, right? And if I add A transpose plus B transpose, then I will have minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, 5 plus 1, 6, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 9 plus 0, 9, 1 plus 2. So if you will observe equation 1 and equation 2, then you will see that the answer of both of this is same, right? So hence verified that A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Likewise, you can do for subtraction also, means A minus B whole transpose will be A transpose minus B transpose. Let's try to do the third question, where here we are given A transpose. So A transpose is 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. We know that property. If I take the transpose of a transpose matrix, then I will get the same original matrix. So if I take the transpose of this, then I will have my matrix A. So my matrix A is 3, minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1, whereas B matrix given is minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Here also we are asked to verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So this time I will try the second option. We'll start with the right hand side. I will subtract A minus B. As the order of A and B is same, subtraction is possible. So I will subtract 3 minus minus, that is plus 1. I will have 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2. And if I take transpose of this, then I will have 4, 3 minus 3, 0, minus 1 minus 2. Give this as 1. We'll compare the result of this with right hand side, where we are asked to find A transpose minus B transpose. I will note down my A transpose, which is 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1, whereas my B transpose is 3 minus 1 1 2 2 1 3, right? So if I subtract them, then I will have 3 minus minus plus, that is 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 1 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2 minus 2 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Give this as 2 and we'll compare the result of 1 and 2. So yes, I got that same result. So hence verified that A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Let's try to understand fourth question, where A matrix A dash is given, A transpose is given minus 2 3 1 2. So I can obtain my original matrix A by taking transpose of a transpose matrix. So minus 2 1 3 2 is my original matrix, whereas B matrix given in the question is minus 1 0 1 2, and we are asked to find the value of A plus 2B whole transpose. So first of all I will find A plus 2B. So my A matrix is minus 2 1 3 2, and 2 into B, I will multiply each and every element of B with 2, and if I add that, then I will have minus 4 1 5 6. Taking transpose of this will give me minus 4 5 1 6. So this is your answer. Let's try to understand fifth question, where we are asked to verify the property of a transpose related to multiplication. So we have to verify A multiplied by B whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose, and the given matrix for that is A, which is a column matrix, and B, which is my row matrix, right? So first of all I will solve left hand side. I will try to find the product of A and B. Here A is a column matrix 3 cross 1, and this is my row matrix. So product is possible, and the resultant will be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So row column minus 1, row first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. We'll use the row of prefactor and always column of post factor, right? So third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. So this is my answer. And if I take transpose of this, then A into B whole transpose is minus 1 4 minus 3 2 minus 8 6 1 minus 4 3, right? This is my result. Give this as 1. We'll compare. Now let's try to find B transpose into A transpose. I will note down my B transpose minus 1 2 1 into 1 minus 4 3, right? So this is again a 3 cross 1 matrix, and this is 1 cross 3 matrix. So as the column of prefactor and row of post factor is same, multiplication is possible, and the result will be a 3 cross 3 matrix, right? So first row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, third row first, third row second, third row third. Give this as 2. Now if you will compare the result of 1 and 2, then you can see that both of them is same. So from 1 and 2 I can say that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose.